I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my series on statistics. I'm sharing with you a brilliant question sent by one of our subscribers. We need to calculate the variance from the given probability distribution. We'll also understand a method of doing so. So, in the example, we have the data given to us. The x values are minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, and 2. And their corresponding probabilities are 0.15, 0.2, 0.3, 0.2, and 0.15. We need to find expected value, Ex, and then we have to calculate Ex squared. And from these values, we need to calculate variance. How are they related, and how do we find variance from these calculations? That is what we are going to understand in this particular video. I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel and the playlist on statistics. We have hundreds of videos for you to master strategies. All these are absolutely free. Now let's try to understand from the given data what is the average mean or the expected value Ex. Since you see that this data is symmetric, right? So we have minus 2 with a probability of 0.15, minus 1 with 0.2, 0 with 0.3, 1 with 0.2, and 2 with 0.15. For any symmetric distribution, the expected value or the average mean will be the value given here, which is 0.3. Now, this is also a concept in itself which you need to understand. Now, so first part is done for us. We need to find E of x square. To do so, we'll find the x square values, right? So minus 2 square is 4. Square of minus 1 is 1. For 0, it is 0. And those are 1 and 4, respectively. Now, from here, we can find what is E of x square. Multiply 4 with 0.15, add to it 1 times 0.2 plus 0 times 0.3 plus 1 times 0.2 plus 4 times 0.15. So that gives you 4 times 0.15 will give you 0.6, right? 30 and then 60. So it'd be 0.60. And this will be 0.2, 0 plus 0.2. And from the symmetry, we can write 0.6. Adding them up, we get 0.6 plus zero point 0.2 is 0.8 plus 2 is 1.0 and 1.6, correct. So the value of Ex square is 1.6. Now here, how do we find variance? This is what we need to understand. I can actually get the result right here. However, I like to discuss with you the formula, how it is derived. That will be very useful for you. So now let's look into what is variance and how do we find it from the expected value. As you know, variance can be defined as the average, right? Difference square, right? So it is E of x minus mu whole square, where mu is the mean, right? So if you expand this, what do you get? You get E of x square minus 2 mu x plus mu square, right? And once you expand this, you know you get ex square minus 2. We can write mu, which is the average mean for us, right? Ex plus mu square. Now, expected value is actually mean, right? So we can rewrite this as E of x squared minus 2 mu square because Ex is mean. Perfect. Plus mu square. And that gives you the relation which we are looking for, right? And which is minus u square. You get the whole idea. So basically, variance, as we can see, is equal to E of x squared minus E square of x, correct? Perfect. So that is the formula which relates the two. So I hope you have understood this part, right? And knowing both the values, we can now answer the question. So once we know the concept, we can say that the variance is actually equal to E of x squared minus E square x. So we just found that E of x squared was 1.6. This was 0.3. So we'll do 0.3 square, right? Which is 1.6 minus 0.3 square 0.09, and that gives you 1.51. Correct? So that is how we can actually find variance from the expected mean. Perfect. So I hope with this you have understood a strategy how we can find the variance after find the expected value and E of x squared along with the derivation. Explore our playlist to learn more. In case you have any doubt, feel free to send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.